Oh, hey, I'm Dr. Andy from OpenSpace Healing, the hub for everything holistic chiropractic wellness. And today we're going to be talking about reducing stress levels and how to create a calm mind and body. Through the normally deep and bring your chest forward and your internal organs. Chia butter, a really good option. Are you constantly busy and feel like you are a chicken with its head cut off? Apart from the fact that this is not a very nice way to live, I can imagine that you're probably feeling stressed out, that you are fatigued, suffering with mood swings, probably not sleeping very well, and just generally not satisfied with your quality of life. You may even feel like life is happening to you and you're not directing the show. One thing that I have learned over time is that when I am calm and centered, then I make much better decisions. If only there was a calm button. As a Kundalini yoga teacher, the closest thing that I have found to a calm button is meditation. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's too hard, or I've tried that, or it doesn't work for me. Well, bear with me, because every single client that I have given this meditation to, it has worked for them. This meditation is called Meditation for a Calm Heart. And it pretty much does what it says. By using breath, eye gaze, and mudra, then it helps you drop from your crazy head into your heart. This is a really powerful trifecta. This soothing practice helps to relieve anxiety and creates calmness and mental clarity in only 3 minutes. This meditation is perfect for beginners, so start with 3 minutes, and as you're feeling good, gradually increase it, and you can increase it up to 31 minutes. One pro tip that I share with my clients is to rate how stressed you're feeling out of 10 before the meditation and then after the meditation, and see how you change the state of your mind and your body. So let's dive in. Sit in a comfortable, easy pose with a light chin tuck to elongate the back of the neck. Place the left hand on the center of your chest at your heart center. The palm is flat against the chest and the fingers are parallel to the ground, pointing to the right. Make Gyan Mudra with the right hand. Touch the tip of the index finger with the tip of your thumb. Raise the right hand up to the right side as if giving a pledge. The palm faces forward and 3 fingers not in Gyan Mudra point up to the sky. The elbow is relaxed near the side with the forearm perpendicular to the ground. Either close your eyes or look straight ahead with eyes 1/10 open. Inhale slowly and deeply through both nostrils. Then suspend the breath in and raise the chest. Retain it as long as possible. Then exhale smoothly, gradually, and completely. When the breath is totally out, lock the breath out for as long as possible. Concentrate on the flow of breath and regulate each part of the breath consciously. To end, inhale and exhale strongly 3 times, then relax. And that's a wrap. Try this at home, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. We will be here same time next week. Now remember, by healing yourself, you inspire your tribe and transform your world. See you next time.